everyone. Today you have joined in with Ethical Life with Amrita De Silva. That's me on Life Online, and we are here today to talk about a cuisine that's very dear to our hearts. No, it's not the Indiappa or the Appa. It's a spice, it's a rice, and it's all things nice because we are here to speak about Indian cuisine, which is very close to our hearts, to our culture, to our country, and we have been using Indian food, Indian spices, Indian flavor profiles for many decades. And here today we are at Thirumurugan's Food Waves restaurant down here in Navala, and we are here to try out all of their awesome South Indian, North Indian dishes that are full of flavor. So let's not delay it any further, run inside and try out their dishes. Waves is not a new name to the Indian food scene. I must say that Nalaka De Silva had a vision 18 years ago to open his own restaurant, and today he has 3 chains of the Food Wave restaurant. Today we are starting off with their veg and onion pakoras. Pakoras are made with gram flour, so it's quite healthy compared to using any other type of flour, and you get a very distinctive taste in pakoras. And when you use onions, pakoras are just the best. We are going on to the South Indian thali, which has my favorite papadam in it and so many other dishes here. So many different vegetables. We got okra, we got a mixed vegetable, dal, some chutney, and the very popular South Indian dish that is rasam, which is mainly made with tamarind, and it has a very nice sour punch to it. Oof. And also a kick in the throat. I've got a little bit of rice in the middle. I've got a very special little crispy vade on the side. South Indian cuisine is very similar to Sri Lankan because it has a lot of coconut in it. It has a lot of spicy, a lot of chili, whereas North Indian food has more cream, more cashew, and more sweetness to it. But when you have very hot rice with very nice juicy dishes, you don't really need anything else, and it's very fairly priced. If you take a look at the menu, it's around 400-500 rupees for such a big meal, and the thali is available from 11:30 AM till about 3 PM in the afternoon, so definitely come and try it out. Unfortunately, the camera can't capture my full face because of this mega ghee roast dosa, so I'll have to kind of break the top off. I know it's like how King Kong had to climb the building. That's how I feel right now. It looks quite big, but honestly I think anyone could finish this. Let's try a little bit of their spicy coconut chutney. It has got a lot of mustard in it. If you really don't have anything to do with it, you can use it as an ice cream cone as well, I think. It's just perfect. The holy grail of dosas, the paper dosa, the very popular, very loved, and the delicious paper dosa. No, I'm not going to do that. As you know, this is also used as a telescope in many countries. You can see through to different universes and different planets. And once you eat it, you feel like you are in another planet because it's delicious. It also comes with the spicy coconut chutney. The masala dosa is very popular because potatoes are something that everybody loves to have. You can have it as fries, you can have it as mashed, but in India they have found a way to mix the most special dosa with the very delicious potatoes. That is the masala dosa. It's a full meal if you're hungry, you want to have breakfast, you want to have lunch, or even dinner. This is absolutely perfect. Surprisingly, it's very mild. I have stopped now with the South Indian side, and we are moving on to the North Indian side of the dishes. And first we have a very special Manchurian rice. I can see the crunchy bits of Manchurian already in it. If you take a close look, these delicious bits that are fried, that has a very unique flavor. Manchurian is a style that is kind of like not really Chinese, but a lot of Nepali people also eat Manchurian food. They're actually tiny pieces of paneer that is dipped in the Manchurian batter. So delicious double. It tastes kind of like a fried rice, but then you get those little Indian spices in the Manchurian, which makes it kind of like a fusion. And I love fusion food because why not kind of mix things up and try out something new. They also have a Chinese section in the menu. So if you come with friends who don't like Indian food, who likes to try something Chinese, they have that flexibility of offering you the option. I think my stomach is starting to talk to me because it's saying, where is the naan? I mean, when you come for Indian food, you always say, where is the naan? So we've got types of naans here that definitely will amaze you, because we've got the very cool butter naan, which is very popular, and they've also got this very popular cheese naan. Everybody loves cheese, everybody loves naan, so why not put it together? And Food Waves have done just that. They've also given us their very signature paneer butter masala, which is very juicy and very delicious. And they've also given us a very delicious Manchurian, the gobi Manchurian. We've tried the Manchurian rice, but we haven't really tried cauliflower. Gobi is cauliflower. So cauliflower is very popular, very healthy food. You can use it as a replacement for rice. Today we are going to try it out as a deep fried, battered, deep fried Manchurian dish. This sauce is amazing. It is truly delicious. When you combine cheese, cauliflower naan, you just get this amazing texture, the cauliflower being really succulent and really fresh. You can taste when it gets into your mouth how juicy it is, and with a little bit of the paneer butter masala curry, which is very delicious, very nice and sweet and very creamy. I know a lot of people sometimes don't like a lot of spicy food, so if you're coming here you have to give it a try because it will surprise you. Just get the paneer butter masala. I swear it's good. So today's segment is coming to an end slowly, but we will continue to do more videos, more interesting videos about food. Today we are here at the Food Waves in Navala. I'm going to continue finishing my dishes while you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bid farewell to me. I'm Amrita De Silva. This is Ethical Life, Life Online. Subscribe, like and comment. Stay tuned for more.